Let's go now.
Hey y'all, so I'm Nyla Symone and today I'm back with another video. So as you guys can see by the title and as you guys saw by the intro, I have a new bundle deal that is out that is for Christmas and for New Year's. And today I want to basically show you guys, give you guys the background on it and let you guys know what it is and what it ain't. So yeah, basically I'm here to show you guys everything that's going to be a part of the Christmas bundle deal. It's going to be for New Year's and for Christmas. So I have two lip glosses, two different ones. I did these two because they're perfect colors for New Year's and they're perfect colors for Christmas, so it goes with the holiday theme, it goes with everything like that. So I'm here to show you guys. As you guys saw by the intro, I did dress it up a little bit and I'm really excited about it. I really do, like, I really am into this idea that I created. I really am into this. I put a lot of effort into this. Usually my ideas come like in the middle, like at 3 o'clock in the morning, and then boom, they just pop up. So basically, let me give you guys a background. If you guys don't know, I sell mini VersaGel buckets and I also sell big VersaGel buckets. So basically I sell a 1.5 pound VersaGel bucket, which comes with 1.5 pounds of just pure VersaGel. It's vegan VersaGel, just pure VersaGel, no oils added, no flavoring, nothing, just VersaGel. These VersaGel buckets are usually for people who have a small quantity of orders, who have to make like a small amount. So as you guys know, some other brands sell VersaGel for like $70 all the way up to $100, all the way up to $500. So for my big VersaGel buckets, I just give you a 1.5 pound and it fills up to 50 plus tubes. So 50 is the minimum, but plus it's kind of like you get a little bit more out of it as well. Some people say that their VersaGel buckets last up to 2 months, so they last very long and they go a long way for people who have to make small quantity of lip glosses. I also find that my mini VersaGel buckets are really good for people who want to experiment with lip glosses. A lot of people give them away as gifts. A lot of people give them away as experiments. A lot of people give it away as just something to do during quarantine, you know, just stuff like that. So this is basically, this is what a mini VersaGel bucket looks like, and then I'll put in a picture of what a big VersaGel bucket looks like. The mini VersaGel bucket is just an 8 ounce, so it's a mini bucket, and then the big VersaGel bucket comes in a big bucket that holds up to 1.5 pounds. You guys go check that out on my website, link down below. I'll put 2 separate links for mini and jumbo, and then you could go get those. So now I put a spin on it for Christmas, for the holidays. So basically now what you're getting is something totally different. So usually, like I just told you, for the mini VersaGel buckets, they come with no oils, they come with nothing. But I have got so many people asking me to do pre-made, so now I am doing pre-made lip glosses. So I just added this for the holidays. Now when it comes into 2021, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing, but if you guys really like this, then I will take it to the next level and add it on my site permanently. But you got to show your love first. I got to know that you guys really like it. I got to know that you guys are really messing with it. So yes, this is what it looks like. This is the packaging for Christmas plus New Year's holiday kit. So as you guys can see, you'll get 2 pre-made glosses. One is red and then one is silver. The silver one is basically a holographic lip gloss. It has purple and green glitters in it, and it's just very really pretty. I like it. It's just a basic clear gloss, but just holographic. I know you girls love your holographic lip glosses, so I put that in there. It has hydrated oils in it, like coconut oil, vitamin E oil, almond oil, which is really good for your skin, and a bunch of other oils. I don't want to give all away my secrets, but yeah, a bunch of other oils. Along with it has its scent, which is pina colada. That was kind of like a random scent. I didn't know what scent to do, so that was kind of like the random scent. That's what everybody chose, so that's basically what I did. Pina colada for the silver one. And then let's get into the red one. The red one is basically the same thing, same oils, but the red one has silver gloss in it. It gives you a red tint on your lips, which is really pretty. It's just like a little red gloss, so like a little blush on your lips, or like just a little cute little color there for your lips. It gives you a little red tint, not very permanent, just a little red tint. Also, that flavor is peppermint, because I thought it would be so cute. If you guys know, all of my lip glosses have mint in them, but I put a lot more peppermint oil in the red one just for a cute little minty smell, and then the cute little minty effect that you get on your lips as well. So basically those are those two, and then you're gonna get 3 pipettes as well, and then you're gonna get 2 syringes. These lip glosses are ready to go inside the tubes right when you get it. All you have to do is put your pipette on top of your syringe, get your lip glosses in the syringe, and stick it into your tubes. So the tubes are going to be sold separately. I do offer lip gloss tubes on my site, so I offer 10 lip gloss tubes on my site, and I believe they're only $15.99. I will have that linked in the description down below too, so you can purchase your kit with your lip gloss tubes as well. I offer 15 ml and I offer 10 ml, so I do offer 2 different lip gloss tubes, so they're going to be linked in the description down below. These fill up to 25 tubes plus, so the minimum is 25, but you can get also a little bit more. These have last people for a month, so as I told you guys, my big VERSAGEL buckets have last people for 1 to 2 months, even 3 months. This lasts you for a month, so if you get 2, you're basically going to be able to fill up 50 lip gloss tubes plus. So this is something that's official, babe. Now for those who are like, well, I just want silver, I just want red, they are sold separately. When they are sold separately, that means that you're only going to get one of these pre-made lip glosses, 2 pipettes, and 1 syringe, since you're only getting 1 lip gloss. I do have it on my site where it is sold separately, but I just like it together. I think it looks cute together. I think it's just, you might as well just get it together. If you're looking for pre-made lip glosses that are very hydrating, very hydrating, everybody loves my lip glosses. I keep my lip glosses thick. I do not like sticky lip glosses. None of my lip glosses are sticky. I hate sticky lip gloss, so I make the lip gloss exactly how I like it. They're very thick, which I like it. Now, not too thick where you can't even put them on your lips, you can't even move your lips, but they're very thick. I like my lip glosses thick. They're very smooth on. They give you a nice shine. As you guys can see, I already have lip gloss on my lips, and they just give you a nice little cute touch, which a lip gloss should definitely do. If you guys need reviews, I have reviews. If you guys need lip gloss samples, I also do offer lip gloss samples on my site. You get 3 different lip gloss samples for only $5, and that's on my site. Before you need to purchase anything like that dealing with wholesale, I do offer lip gloss samples so people can get to know my formula, see how, you know, basically just try out my lip glosses, just a mini little sample basically. So yeah, this is basically the kit, you guys. I'm really excited about it. If you guys need any Christmas, holiday, anything for your lip gloss business, and you like pre-made lip glosses, this is right here. A lot of you guys always ask for this. This is so cute for a little stocking stuffer. This is so cute for like just one of those little girls who just always been wanting to create their own lip gloss, but you don't want your little girls to have, like, you don't want to go through the oils and figuring out the flavoring, all that. You have everything literally here. All you have to do is just put it in your syringe, add your pipette, get your tubes, and you can stick it right in the lip gloss, and there you go. You have made your first lip gloss, and all you have to do is worry about making your first sale. Y'all let me know in the comments down below if I should keep it in the box when you like get it to your door. I don't know if I want to keep it in the box for like packaging. I'm not sure yet. I don't know yet, but this is basically it, you guys, and I'm so in love with my new labels. Let me show you guys, which is the Nyla Symone beauty bar, and then little Santa hat. I'm gonna put the logo right here. It's so cute, y'all. I'm so in love with it. I love the little new stickers. That just gives you the Christmas type of decor on it. So yeah, y'all, that is basically what I came to tell y'all, that I have pre-made lip glosses ready for you, ready to be shipped off to you right when you get them. They're ready to be put exactly in your tubes, ready for you to go make your first sale. I know you guys been waiting for these pre-made lip glosses. Like I said, they have hydrating oils in it. They have coconut oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, which is really good for the lips. They have all good oils that's really good for lips. One flavor is pina colada, one flavor is peppermint as well. You have red, you have silver, and they're vegan as well, and they're just ready for you when you get them. They're ready to put right into your stocking stuffer. They're ready for you to put right under the tree. They're ready for you to make your first sale. They're ready for you to put right in your lip gloss tube. Make sure you guys check the link down below for lip gloss tubes that are sold separately. I have 10 ml and 15 ml. Make sure you guys also check the link down below to go get your kits as well. They're sold separately and they're sold together. Also, make sure you guys go check out my just regular VERSAGEL or my mini VERSAGEL buckets that fill up to 25 tubes, and then my big VERSAGEL buckets that fill up to 50 tubes. What you all been waiting for to see, what is the price, Nyla? What is the price? What is the price? The price for this is only $60. So if you only wanted one of these, that would be $30. the kit will only be $30, but yes, it's only $60. The kit is only $60, and that is basically it, y'all. So make sure you guys go get your kits. I will see you guys at checkout. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys go support Nyla Symone Beauty Bar if you guys have not already. If you're new to my channel and you don't know who I am, make sure you guys go watch the rest of my videos. I have a bunch of videos dealing with business if you need help on business, dealing with college if you need help on college, and just dealing with my personal life. If you need advice, girl, go watch any of my videos. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys let me know down below if I should keep the packaging like this when it's at your door, or should I just put it in my regular bubble mailer. Let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys later in my next video. Make sure you guys go cop your kits. Make sure you go cop your VersaGel buckets, your mini VersaGel buckets, your lip gloss tubes, everything. Like I said, this is only $60, and I will see you at checkout. Peace.